Preparedness comes for me in multiple different facets. I don't ever want to be 10 miles offshore surfing some of the waves we surf down in Mexico and not have something I need. And being prepared with active skin repair or the right leash or the correct wetsuit or life jacket for that instance is something that I rely on myself and my friends and partners and the public rely on. And that's why I always carry the active skin repair and a second leash and extra life jackets and different things like that. It's something that's built into my personality, whether that's from lifeguarding and also growing up with a dad that's a fireman.
I mean, I was trained when I was young, like if it's not burning and hurting really bad, then it's probably not killing anything. You know, with this product, it just feels like cool, soothing gel. And my kids love it, and I'm like, I kind of feel like super dad. Whether it's a cut, an insect bite, a rash, I just like, hey, come on here, let me put this on. And they're just like, whew, they just feel good. And most of the time the inflammation goes down, the redness around whatever they've done. And I'm just like, yeah, I took care of that problem.
Introducing Active Skin Repair, an all-natural, non-toxic medical grade spray that harnesses the power of the body's immune system. Active Skin Repair works on hundreds of skin issues, such as minor injuries from cuts and burns to everyday issues like rashes, sunburns, and even bug bites. It's so powerful it's used in hospitals yet safe enough to use on all areas of the body. And best of all, since Active Skin Repair can be used to help multiple types of skin issues, you can replace the need for other products, saving you time, space, and money. The active ingredient is the same molecule organically produced by the human body to promote healing, so when you use Active Skin Repair, you recreate the body's natural healing mechanism for your skin. Active Skin Repair has won multiple awards, is accepted by the National Eczema Association, and recommended by doctors, pediatricians, and dermatologists around the world. With more than 500,000 bottles sold and over 2,000 5-star reviews, it's the clinically proven way to help your body quickly and naturally heal itself. So whether you're hiking, biking, or hitting up the playground, simply grab your Active Skin Repair spray and go.